Hey guys, what's up and welcome to On Our Shelf. Today I have something very unique. I have a helmet, a Power Rangers Lightning Collection Mighty Morphin Lord Zedd helmet. Now I'm very excited about this because I love Power Rangers. We all know Power Rangers. If you grew up in the 90s, we love Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. And I have quite a few Power Rangers helmets already, so this would go great to my collection, my Power Rangers collection. So let's get it off this box. Now, unfortunately, the box is damaged. We had a little flood down here, so yeah, that's that. But let's get it off the box. All right, we got scissors. Get it out the box. So I'm going to show you this, what it looks like when I open it. This right here, this right there, oh, this. There we go. Boom. And that's it. Everything out the plastic. Okay, so this is everything out the box. Everything's wrapped up pretty good. Let's take everything out the plastic. Now, when I was a kid, I used to love the yellow Ranger, the yellow Power Ranger. Let me know down below in the comments which Power Ranger was your favorite. Whoa. Now, right off the back, I'm impressed with the detail because I see a brain. I literally see a brain. Isn't that cool? That's awesome. Go Power Rangers. Go Power Rangers. Wow, this looks awesome. Check out the detail. It's all chrome. The color, purple, I love. Wow, this is so unique. This is really cool. Okay, I got more to unbox. Let's go. If you're a Power Rangers fan, collector, or even into cosplay, this might be one of the coolest pieces you can own right now. First off, let's talk about the design because wow, this helmet is inspired by Mighty Morphin Power Rangers and it absolutely nails the look of Lord Zedd. It looks really awesome. Inside this box, you have a stand. It comes with a stand. You get 2 more extension pieces for the stand, and then you also get a letter Z for the helmet. You've got this chrome detailing on the faceplate that really gives it that intimidating metallic finish. It looks so cool. Check out that brain action. The crazy part is the top of the helmet, it's actually soft. Here's a close-up of the stand with the Power Rangers logo. It looks really nice. They did a really good job at designing the brain to mimic Zedd's exposed brain. This isn't just for show. You can actually wear it. It's quite comfortable. The helmet has an adjustable fit, so it works for most head sizes. The stand makes it perfect for collectors. Just set it up on your shelf and it instantly becomes a centerpiece. Now let's talk about one of the coolest features, the built-in electronic voice changer. With the press of a button on the chin, your voice transforms into something straight out of villain monologue. It takes 3 AA batteries, and honestly, it makes you feel like you're about to command an army. I am Lord Zedd. I am here to destroy you. I am Lord Zedd, and I am here to destroy you. And if you know anything about this line, Hasbro, you know they go all in on detail and quality. This isn't just a toy, it's a piece of art. It's great for collectors. Thanks so much for watching this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Bye. I am Lord Zedd. I am here
to destroy